Right, we've decided, as you can see, the river going down here. Cannons in front, see if we can get over this flooded part. Be interesting. Because it looks like, to me, it's breached the bank. I was going to put the boat in today, but we're not going to do. You can see that they've raised the drive into Peer Cottage. This is where we are. So now we've got to try and get through this without dropping the camera or doing anything stupid. These boots are waterproof to a certain degree, so let's just go for it. And it's through! Here comes Karan. Don't fall to your left. And she's through. Bless her.
Down there.
Couldn't over there, look. Oh, what's that one? Special food event, Coniston Food House, Friday 24th of March and Saturday 25th. Enjoy a locally sourced product with delicious hot filled baps. All welcome. Oh, you know now if you want to come. We'll see what it's like over here now. Came here yesterday and wondered why this piece of wood was here. I think it's pretty obvious now. Oh dear. Right. I do apologise for the wind. I didn't put the wind muff on. Never expected this, but gives you a short coniston. This is obviously where Donald Campbell and he'd launched his boat at Peer Cottage, which I've just shown you, which is there's Peer Cottage over there. Right, we'll head on back. At least the sun's out anyway. Now, it looks like I've got another obstacle over here to get through. Well, I think we're coming to an end, so we'll leave it there for a moment.